Hey guys, it's Cooper Cones here, and today we're gonna, the D menu of Thomas Friends Calling All Legends 2005 Australia DVD. So, here we got the theme song, roll call, select chapter. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got all 5 of them. Next, we got some background. Chapter 6 through 10. Chapter 11 to 15. Nice screenshot. And here's 16 to 20, the last part. And the last part is 20 is New Engines roll call version. So yeah. And here's extra. Entering Scene 1, Scene 2, Dream Song, Wish Things, and this are the same. And that's pretty much it. D menu of Thomas and Friends Calling All Legends 2005 Australia TV. So, I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.